Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, access calendar. Then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, by adding a title, choosing location over here, picking starting hour, ending one, or turning off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add reminder, take notes, and even choose repeat and pick if you want your event to repeat. I will go with every year. When you're ready, click on the top right corner over here to save your event. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always get rid of it though by tapping on it, choosing delete at the bottom right corner, and over here you need to choose if you want to delete only this event or all events, because as you can see, my event will repeat every year, so I don't want to get any notifications about this event ever again, so I will go with all events and just delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!